Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Oracle Espresso machine. Now for this machine it was broken because it was not heating up. It was heating up to 160 F and 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and it was not hitting the 202 degrees that was supposed to. And that was because this little fuse, you see right here, was just not working, and this fuse is located on the brew boiler of the machine, and in order for us to replace it we have to remove the entire base plate and then get into the fuse and replace it. So we replaced that, and once we had the machine all up to pressure, we find out that the o-rings inside the machine were leaking, so we had to replace all those as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise we're going to see coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now this machine has at least 8 seconds of prefusion. Once prefusion happens, the water pump will push water through the group head, through the boiler, and into the cup. There you go. Alright, gonna do that again. But this time I'm gonna be decreasing the grind from 24 to 14. Okay, now we are grinding on the 10 setting of the grinder. And we're going to do a double shot. I'm going to stop it manually, as the customer has programmed this double shot to be much bigger than 2 ounces. So I'm going to stop it at 2 ounces manually. As you can see, the shot is so much better. Nice steady stream coming out of the portafilter. Crema forming at the bottom, at the top of the coffee as well. And as you can see, a nice, steady, nice, beautiful shot of espresso. Machine is at 200 degrees. Definitely steam coming out from the boiler. As you can see, it's already at full pressure. Hot water working excellent. The nice steady stream coming out from the one, working great. So there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again. So thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.